Hey friends! A flat tire can ruin your day, but carrying a high-quality repair kit ensures you're never stranded for long. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car tire repair kit in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Tubeless Car Tire Repair Kit. This straightforward and highly functional emergency set is engineered to provide a seamless DIY experience for anyone facing an unexpected puncture. It features heavy-duty steel T-handles that offer superior leverage, making it much easier to push through tough rubber treads than standard plastic versions. You will also find a specialized 4-way valve stem tool and self-vulcanizing plugs that create a permanent, airtight bond almost instantly. While it is strictly for tubeless tires, its universal design makes it a perfect fit for Jeeps, tractors, and even lawn mowers in your garage. The entire collection of accessories is housed in a sleek, portable storage bag that slides perfectly into a glove compartment or under a seat. By choosing this kit, you are ensuring that you have all the professional essentials required to handle a roadside emergency quickly and effectively without needing external help. Next up, our second product, the Eaton Wolf Car Tire Repair Kit. If you prioritize comfort and precision during a repair, this stainless steel toolkit stands out with its ergonomic rubber-coated handles that prevent hand fatigue. It provides a unique advantage by offering two distinct plug sizes, allowing you to choose the perfect fit for either small nails or larger jagged punctures. The high-torque T-handle design ensures you can apply maximum force with total control, which is vital when working with thick truck or SUV tires. Along with the core insertion tools, you receive a sharp utility knife and specialized lubricant to make the plugging process as smooth as possible. Everything stays neatly organized inside a compact carrying case, making it an ideal companion for long road trips where space is limited. This is a dependable, user-friendly solution that combines durability with thoughtful design to make tire maintenance less stressful for the average driver. Coming in at number 3, the Relth Car Tire Repair Kit. This innovative system departs from traditional plugs by using a powerful polymer composite adhesive combined with reusable repair screws for a high-strength seal. It is exceptionally versatile, capable of fixing everything from simple punctures and tears to those annoying air leaks on bicycles, cars, and off-road vehicles. You get two large 50 ml tubes of specialized black tire glue that is both heat-resistant and waterproof, maintaining its elasticity in the harshest driving conditions. The kit includes 20 repair screws in various sizes, which work in tandem with the fast-drying adhesive to cure in just 30 seconds during emergencies. It is a cost-effective and space-saving alternative to bulky tool sets, fitting easily into a motorcycle bag or a small toolbox for on-the-go fixes. This kit offers a modern, durable approach to tire maintenance that ensures your repairs remain secure and flexible regardless of the weather or terrain. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Autown Car Tire Repair Kit. For those who demand professional-grade equipment, this comprehensive 68-piece heavy-duty set is built from refined high-quality steel for maximum strength. The tools are designed to withstand extreme pressure, allowing you to tackle the most stubborn punctures on everything from RVs to heavy-duty farm tractors. The included repair plugs are noted for their incredible adhesion, ensuring your tire maintains the correct air pressure over long distances after the fix is completed. Beginners will appreciate the straightforward T-handle and spiral probe, which simplify the steps of clearing the hole and inserting the plug correctly. This massive kit is neatly organized in a rugged, impact-resistant case that keeps every single piece secure and easy to find when time is of the essence. It represents the gold standard in roadside reliability, providing a complete arsenal of tools that gives you total peace of mind whenever you are traveling far from home. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Grand Pitstop Car Tire Repair Kit. This unique tubeless repair system is a favorite among motorcycle enthusiasts because it uses advanced, mushroom, or rivet-like plugs that grip the tire from the inside. This specific shape provides a much more secure mechanical seal than standard strips, effectively preventing any air loss even at higher highway speeds. One of the greatest benefits is that you can perform the entire repair without removing the wheel, saving you immense time and effort during a trip. It is incredibly lightweight and mid-sized, making it easy to pack into a saddlebag alongside your other riding gear without adding unnecessary bulk. Compatible with high-end brands like Harley and Ducati, this kit brings professional-level sealing technology to the palm of your hand for quick, DIY roadside assistance. It is the perfect investment for any rider who wants to avoid the hassle of towing or installing a spare tire while out on an adventure. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.